Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Delco Airsoft. And welcome to our very first gun unboxing here on the channel. Today, I'll be getting the E&L AKM 102. In other news, I've recently picked up a Rain Exploder GoPro mount for my helmet, so I can now wear this while I'm on the field. See, I got my goggles in there, they're all attached. And I'm actually really excited. I ordered it last week from evike.com, and I got the 3-day shipping, and of course I never can remember to order it before the weekend's coming up. I never order it on like a Monday or a Tuesday, so it'll get here in 3 days. I always order it on a Friday like an idiot, so it comes like in 5 days. But what are you gonna do? The UPS guy should be here any time now. They usually come around 4 o'clock. I think it's like 3:30, 3:45 now. And I'm freaking out. Even though it doesn't look like it, I'm freaking out. I'm ready to see the steel and the real wood. I can't wait. Where are you, UPS man? I see it. It's coming. My house is this way, dude. Finally. Oh, baby. There they are. One LiPo battery and one E&L AK. Here we go. Woo! Alright, first we're going to open up this LiPo battery. Let's check it out. You can use this rusty ass screwdriver. Let's see here. This is pretty cool. Firefox Superpower. I got an 11.1. So the case that it comes in. Alright, so pretty sure you charge it with this little white plug here, and then it's got a regular Tamiya connector on there. That's what it looks like out of the box. I got a little brick. And now what everybody, including myself, is waiting for. The gun. Just comes in a plain cardboard box. Let's see what we got on the inside. Nice. It's a nice box. This is pretty cool. They gave me a 22% coupon code from Evike. This little pamphlet. I mean, I usually just use the coupon codes on there anyway. Order thing. It's got a pretty nice box that comes in. Let's see, it says, pretty cool looking. It says E&L Airsoft on there. It says AK Series Gen 2. It's got all a bunch of, all the like build qualities that it has on it. Handmade wood parts. I like the sound of that. That's sick. It does have a little ding in it, probably from shipping or something. I don't really think it's anyone's fault. It's probably just from moving it around and stuff. Alright, let's see here. Let's see if I have it the right way. Ooh. Wrong way. Well, I guess I'll just keep it this way anyway. Nah, I'll flip it around. Alright, well. This is cool. I'll just show you what it looks like. Alright, well this is the box that it comes in. On the inside. Nice. That's actually very like well made styrofoam. It's not just like cheap foam. No clue what this is. Somebody somebody knows what this is, tell me in the comments. I have no idea what that is. Cool. Comes with this manual, instruction manual. It's got all the different types of AKs that you can buy from E&L on there. And it also has its inspection test from China. I guess speed is FPS, but I'm not 100% sure. But you can see there they have stamps of approval, which is pretty cool. E&L Airsoft Pass. It's actually really sick. Let's see what else we got here. I don't know if this is from FPS 395. Cool, so it's shooting right around 400. That's like perfect, because most fields their limit is 400. It's just silica gel for preservation purposes. Alright, this is an oil bottle that I think you would get with a real AK if you were in the like Russian army or Chinese army or something, but it is empty, so maybe I'll fill it up with something. Let's check this mag out. So I guess this is a mid-cap mag. I think it might be like 150 rounds. It's polymer. It's pretty cool that it's got BBs in there already. Rattles a little bit. Now let's take the gun out. Let's see here. Oh yeah, baby. Woo! This thing is heavy. And that's pretty cool too. It comes, there's a layer of oil on it. Probably end up wiping this down. Check this out. Alright. Battery compartment doesn't look too bad. Well, now the moment of truth. Let's test the LiPo that I bought. Let's see if it fits in here. If I can get it to fit easily. Hopefully this should fit no problem. Fingers crossed. Well, it doesn't look like it wants to go that way. Maybe if I lay it flat. Come on. Alright, it doesn't really look like it wants to fit in there. I think I'm getting there. Oh, cool. It does fit. Sweet. I just had to lay it. It was like this. I just had to lay it flat. This charging handle's a little stiff, but it's probably because the battery's in there. I don't want to like jam anything. It didn't come on safety. It's actually on full auto. This is really stiff too. Just have to break it in, I guess. Oh man. Let me take this battery out and see if the charging handle is still stiff. No, it's not, but that sounds really good. Oh my god. That sounds really good. Nice, like, nice ping sound. Really cool. Yeah, so this is real wood. It's pretty heavy. I actually like this grip that's on here. My gas AK has a very similar grip, but it's a lot skinnier. This one is nice and like it's more like ergonomic, even though it doesn't have any caved-in areas for finger placement. It's just nice because it's nice and fat, and you can like hold it very still with it. Does come with a orange tip, but what is this? Oh, this is a cleaning kit. I thought it was a flash hider, but this is a cleaning kit that you can actually put in the buttstock of the gun. So I don't think this comes with a blacked out flash hider, but ordering one online shouldn't be a problem. There you go, you got real wood right there. Here's another look at the fire selector. That's full auto. That's semi. That's safe. We'll do the charging handle. Listen to that. Sounds fucking awesome. That one's safe. Real wood stock. This is where the cleaning kit can go back here. And the sight is adjustable. It actually goes out to 1,000 meters. I'm pretty sure that's what it is, but you don't need that in Airsoft. See, it goes up. You can move it back and forth. Just leave it on the base setting. But I'll definitely probably wipe this down because it's already getting like a little sticky on my hands. Let's see how the mag fits in there. I don't know how I feel that they put BBs in there. Very smooth. There is a little bit of magazine wobble, but when you're playing, you're not going to notice that, and it doesn't make any noise or anything, so that's okay. Yeah, this gun. This is a very awesome gun.